Senna's Fire Pigment palette gives you scorching looks that are strong and blazing. Warm copper eyes and fiery lips make for a look that's too hot to handle. After toning Lauren's skin with Senna's Soothing Toner, I prep the eye area with our sculpting eye cream, and for the complexion, I use sea algae cream. To prime the skin, I use Senna's Silky Primer, and over that, I use Slipcover Cream to Powder Foundation. And now we're ready to create our hot look. For this scorching look, I'm gonna use Scorch eyeshadow on the lid, and I'm applying it with the double eye shadow brush. And this is also a duochrome pigment, so it flashes gold, pink, and orange all at one time. So we're gonna press this on the lid. And of course, because they are so metallic, you can use these wet or dry. I'm gonna go all the way up to the brow bone. I'm gonna flip over the brush because I wanna get very close to the lash base and the inner corner of the eye. The second step is using Flame, this really hot orange. It has a little sparkle in it. It's matte with sparkle. And I'm using this Feather 15 brush, and we're gonna go over the orbital bone. It's gonna really balance the lip. I'm gonna bring it into the outer corner. I'm combining it with the Scorch, and it's making a third shade on its own. With the tip of the brush, goes right into that socket and blends out. Orange is such an uplifting color. They call it the stepchild to red because it doesn't get as much recognition, but it is such a vibrant, sun-kissed, gorgeous color. It makes you feel warm inside. Oh, isn't that beautiful? So next, what we're gonna do is go back to our number 2 double brush, and we are gonna use Brazen. This is a super metallic color. And of course, I can use it wet because it really intensifies. You can even use it on the lips. Let's get that all nice and wet. Oh, look at that. That is like liquid molten copper. Is that unbelievable? Oh, wow. I'm gonna use that right against the lash line. Whoa. I'm using it as a liner with a thick brush. I'm using our Rondo smudger, and I'm gonna bring it all the way around underneath the eye. Now that is molten. Wow. Now that's pretty hot, right? Because this look is so vibrant, I'm leaving the lashes pretty natural. I use just 1 coat of our Voluptulash mascara. Next, I'm gonna blush her cheeks with Flame. This vibrant orange just really picks up and lifts the face. And I'm using it with the Blush Point brush. Love this color on the face. It just warms up all the skin around the eye area, lifts the cheekbones, gives such a warm glow to the face. Using the same brush, I'm going to use Scorched as a highlighter because we love the glow. This gives a very subtle duochrome glow, and again, use it on the body, use it on the décolleté, gives you those coppery, beautiful tones. So to finish the look, I use Daredevil Matte Fixation Lipstick with Torch Lip Lacquer on top, but also to top it even more and make it more metallic, I can take Brazen and dab it on the lips as well to give a high metallic effect. Are you brave enough to wear this hot Daredevil look? I dare you.